In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Whop with Telegram, allowing you to efficiently manage your subscriptions directly within your Telegram groups or channels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Whop account fully connected to Telegram with all the necessary permissions configured for smooth operation. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Whop account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Whop website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options available from your dashboard. What we're interested in today is the integration section. Click on integrations and from the list of available platforms, select Telegram. This will be the key interface for connecting Whop to your Telegram groups or channels. To facilitate this integration, you need to generate an invite link for your bot. Click the button labeled Add to Telegram. This creates a unique invite link specifically for your bot, making it easier to connect directly with your Telegram group or channel. With your invite link ready, proceed by opening the Telegram app on your device. Navigate to the group or channel where you plan to manage your subscriptions. Once there, use the invite link generated earlier to add your bot to the group or channel. It's as simple as clicking a link and selecting your group. Now it's crucial to ensure your bot has the right permissions to function effectively. Inside your Telegram group or channel, assign your bot as an admin. As an admin, your bot will be able to manage subscriptions, send messages, and perform other necessary tasks to keep your community informed and engaged. Double check that your bot has all the permissions it needs under the admin panel in Telegram. This might include being able to add new users, remove them, or manage messages. Next, go back to Whop and focus on the specific products you want to integrate with your Telegram setup. Head to your product settings and look for the Telegram integration tab. This is where you'll assign the appropriate group or channel access for each subscription you manage. Carefully select the correct group or channel for each product to ensure your subscribers receive the content and updates you've planned. Finally, it's time to test the setup to confirm that everything is working as it should. Send a test message or perform a mock subscription task to see how your bot responds. Check that messages are sending correctly and that the integration is functioning without any hitches. If all goes well, you've successfully integrated Whop with Telegram. With everything in place, you're all set to start managing your subscriptions more effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing.